If you're vegan and you want to know the 3 key habits that you need to learn and master to be able to get in shape, get shredded, and most importantly, stay in great shape for the rest of your life, then you need to watch this video, because today I'm going to tell you the 3 key things that I've mastered over my life that allow me to stay in shape, and these are the same habits that I teach my clients. Now, the habits that I'm going to talk about are not complex. They're very, very simple. Most people, when they come to me and they want to get in shape, they expect something really, really complex. But at the end of the day, the simple things done consistently lead to great results. So let's go ahead and start with habit number 1. That is calorie control and protein intake. Now, if you're someone who wants to get in shape, you got to understand how energy balance works. And it is very simple. If you want to lose body fat, you got to make sure that you put yourself in a caloric deficit. If you want to maintain your current body weight, then you gotta eat at maintenance. And if you want to gain weight, you need to put yourself in a caloric surplus. Most people don't want to track their calories, but it is really important that you learn how to do so, especially when you're a beginner and you've never done it in the past. After you get the experience of tracking calories, then you can eyeball things, but it's gonna take you a while to be able to do this. It's very, very important, especially if you have a lot of weight to lose, because if you have a lot of weight to lose, then the first step is understanding how many calories you need to be eating every single day to be able to lose the body fat. Secondly, in this point is protein intake. Now, this is very, very important, especially to vegans, because a lot of vegans are against protein. They have a war against protein. Now, this is fine if you're only concerned about health. If you just want to be healthy, then you don't really need that much protein. You just need enough to be able to support your bodily processes. But if you want to build muscle, then you gotta consume enough protein to support those muscle building processes in your body. Also, when you're dieting for fat loss, your body breaks down tissue. The best way to protect against muscle breakdown is by consuming enough protein. If you're a beginner and you wanna get in shape, start tracking your calories and tracking your protein. Don't worry too much about carbohydrates and fats. Track your calories and track your protein. Then figure out how many calories you need to accomplish your goal. If you wanna lose body fat and get shredded and get leaner, then you need to put yourself in a caloric deficit. If you want to maintain your current body weight and just improve your body composition a little bit, then you can just do maintenance calories. And if you want to gain some weight, then you gotta eat at a caloric surplus. Again, track your protein, track your calories. If you don't know how many calories and protein you need to be eating to accomplish your goal, then you can go to jackvegans.com. We have a free calculator online that's going to tell you exactly what you need to be eating to accomplish your fitness goals. Habit number 2 is consistent lifting. Lifting weights is freaking amazing, especially if you want to look awesome, if you want to look sexy, because muscles make bodies look freaking amazing. If you're just starting out, you don't need to hit the gym 6 times a week or 5 times a week. You want to focus on building the habit, okay? You want to focus on being consistent for a long period of time. The best way to do that is by using the minimal viable dose. So if right now you're hitting the gym 0 times a week, then maybe hitting it 2 times a week is a great place to start. 2 is better than 0. Once you create consistency with twice a week lifting, then you can move on to 3 times a week. As a general recommendation, I always tell people to start with 3 times a week, and you can do 3 full body sessions, and that's gonna be more than enough to get amazing results. Remember, what creates the amazing results is the consistency of lifting, of tracking your calories, and of eating sufficient protein over time. It's not gonna happen in 3 weeks, it's not gonna happen in a month. You need to do it consistently for years. All the social media influencers that you see that are in great shape have been lifting for years and years and years. So you need to get it ingrained in your head that this is a lifelong journey. And the last point, very important, is walking. Walking is amazing. Walking helps you burn calories. Walking helps you stay mobile, helps you stay active. Walking consistently every day is gonna help you be able to walk for the rest of your life. A lot of people, when they wanna get in shape, they wanna do some crazy cardio protocols. And you don't really need to do crazy cardio protocols. The only things that you need is the 3 habits that I'm mentioning today: lifting, eating sufficient calories and protein, and walking. You nail those 3 things every single day, and your life and your body will completely change. Now, how much do you need to be walking? I generally recommend walking around 10,000 steps per day for the average person. Obviously, you can do a little bit less or you can do a little bit more, but 10,000 steps a day is a great place to start. Those are the 3 key habits that you need to nail if you wanna get in shape and stay in shape for the rest of your life. Pretty simple, but simple doesn't mean easy. That's it for this video. And one more thing. If you're a vegan and you want some help with improving your body, if you want to know how to shred fat, build muscle, and look great without clothing, and you want to do it properly from day one, then we can help you out. We can work with you one-on-one to guide you through this process. The first step is booking a free consultation with either myself or someone from my team. The link is down below. It's gonna take you to a questionnaire where you're gonna tell us exactly the things that you want to accomplish and also the things that are holding you back. We're gonna get on a phone call with you to ask you a couple of questions, learn a little bit more about your current situation, and if we can help you out, we'll let you know the next steps. And if for any reason we don't think that we're the right fit, we'll let you know and try to point you in the right direction. That is it for this video. Julian here, signing off.